Destroy every mosquito in your yard. The safe, natural solution that works. Hey folks, welcome back to Soil and Crop Central. If you've ever walked out into your garden in early summer and been swarmed by mosquitoes, you're not alone. For those of us in hot, humid regions, especially in the south, mosquitoes aren't just a nuisance. They make it nearly impossible to enjoy our gardens in peace. Whether you're prepping for a barbecue, trying to enjoy the evening air, or just getting your hands dirty among the crops, these bloodthirsty pests seem to find you. But here's the good news. There's a homemade solution that's not only easy to make and incredibly effective, but also completely safe for your garden, pets, kids, and pollinators when used correctly. This guide is your complete hands-on walkthrough for wiping mosquitoes out of your yard naturally. No toxins, no foggers, just results. Why mosquitoes thrive in gardens and how to turn the tables. Mosquitoes love your garden for one main reason. It's full of shade, moisture, and standing water. Dense grasses, shrubs, and overhanging leaves give them the perfect shelter during the heat of the day. Then, when the temperature drops, usually around sunrise and sunset, they come out to hunt. Female mosquitoes need blood to reproduce, and they don't travel far from where they hatch. That means if you're seeing mosquitoes, they were almost certainly born right there in your yard. Understanding this is critical because it tells us where and when to strike. You don't need to soak every square foot of your yard. You need to hit their hiding spots, disrupt their breeding zones, and make your space inhospitable to them. The mosquito-killing formula you can make at home. The star of this approach is a DIY spray that uses only 3 kitchen-safe ingredients. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This exact formulation is the same one used in professional mosquito control products. It combines granulated garlic, citric acid, and Castile soap. 3 safe, powerful tools in your natural gardening arsenal. Here's how it works. Garlic is deadly to mosquitoes. Not just repellent, deadly. Its high sulfur content suffocates mosquitoes on contact and keeps others far away. Citric acid enhances the effectiveness of garlic and serves as an additional repellent. Castile soap is the glue that holds it all together, helping the solution stick to leaves, stems, bark, and all the surfaces where mosquitoes wait in ambush. For a 4-gallon sprayer, which is ideal for yards of any size, mix 1 full cup of strong granulated garlic powder with hot or lukewarm water. Hot water helps the garlic dissolve thoroughly, which prevents clogs in your sprayer. Add 2 tablespoons of citric acid, which is commonly found in home kitchens. Finally, stir in 1 tablespoon of Castile soap, a gentle, plant-based soap that's safe for your garden and won't harm your soil microbes or beneficial insects. Let the mixture sit for 10 to 15 minutes so the granules dissolve fully. A blender can speed up the process, then pour the solution into your sprayer, give it a stir, and you're ready to go. Mastering application: where, when, and how to spray for maximum effect. Timing and placement are everything. Mosquitoes don't live up high. They stay low to the ground, hiding under leaves, inside bushes, beneath ornamental grasses, or around the shady bases of trees. You want to spray those areas, not the wide-open lawn or flower beds full of pollinators. In tree-dense areas, go up about 8 to 10 feet high, especially along the trunk and lower limbs where mosquitoes can cling to the bark. Apply early in the morning or during the calm twilight hours when mosquitoes are most active. Avoid windy days. Even with natural products, garlic powder in your lungs is no joke. A calm day allows you to control the spray direction and keep the product off your face and away from pollinators. Don't spray directly on vegetable plants that are flowering. You want bees and butterflies in your garden, and this spray, while safe, could interfere with pollination if misapplied. Instead, focus on the surrounding walkways, pathways, edges, fences, and ground covers near the beds. You'll get full protection without disrupting your ecosystem. If you're using a backpack sprayer like a 4-gallon battery-powered model, make sure to prep your station ahead of time. These get heavy once filled, and lifting from the ground can be tough on the knees. Set your sprayer on a raised surface, then strap it on like a backpack. Adjust the nozzle to a fine mist or a gentle stream depending on your coverage needs. A word on prevention. Don't let mosquitoes breed in the first place. One of the most overlooked strategies in mosquito control is stopping the problem before it starts. Mosquitoes only need a bottle cap's worth of water to breed, and once the larvae hatch, they mature into adults in just a few days. That's why your greenhouse humidity trays, plant saucers, or even leftover puddles can become nurseries for an entire swarm. To break the cycle, use mosquito bits, tiny granules containing a naturally occurring bacteria that kills mosquito larvae but is completely harmless to humans, pets, and garden life. Sprinkle a few into any standing water, under plant pots, in decorative water features, or even around irrigation trays. Combine this with your garlic spray, and you'll attack mosquitoes at every stage of their life cycle. How this stacks up to professional products. If you're wondering whether this simple solution is strong enough to do the job, the answer is absolutely. There's a commercial mosquito control product called Mosquito Barrier that's made from nothing more than garlic juice and citric acid. The only difference is that it includes a mild preservative to extend shelf life. Otherwise, it's the same core formula we're using, at a fraction of the price with the added benefit of fresh mixing and customizable strength. Want longer-lasting protection? Just double the garlic concentration. That'll give you up to 4 weeks of mosquito-free peace, especially if you reapply after heavy rain. The scent fades after drying, but the mosquitoes will keep their distance. Scaling the solution from patios to acreage. This method isn't just for small gardens. Whether you've got a courtyard, a greenhouse, or a few acres to protect, this formula scales easily. Use a smaller pump sprayer for container gardens and patios, or go big with a high-volume mist sprayer for larger spaces. For DIY pros, attaching a leaf blower to your sprayer gives you fogging-level results without the $800 price tag of a commercial fogger. No matter the setup, keep your focus tight. Mosquitoes hide in specific places, in and around dense shrubs, under the lip of raised beds, inside bamboo or cane stands, and around shady seating areas. Spray those spots consistently, and your mosquito population will collapse. Take back your space. With this simple but powerful homemade mosquito killer, you can finally enjoy your garden the way it was meant to be, peaceful, productive, and bite-free. Whether you're out planting tomatoes, harvesting herbs, or grilling with friends, you'll do it without swatting the air every few seconds. The best part? You're not relying on synthetic chemicals or expensive gadgets. You're using natural tools, smart strategy, and real gardener experience to take control of your environment. If you found this guide useful, and I hope you did, be sure to subscribe to Soil and Crop Central and share this with your fellow gardeners. Let's build a community that not only grows healthy plants but protects the people and pollinators that help them thrive. Until next time, stay grounded, stay growing, and stay mosquito-free.